On April 23rd, SpaceX spacecraft was successfully launched at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida and sending 4 astronauts to the International Space Station. The unfamiliar name of SpaceX appeared in front of people. At the same time, many people are questioning, is it really necessary to explore space now when the world is facing so many problems? A letter from Zambia Nam to NASA in 1970 asked the same question. The deputy director of science replied, "Why explore the universe?" 400 years ago, there was a kind Earl in Germany who donated a large part of his income to the poor in the town. One day, the Earl ran into the strange person who worked hard during the day and devoted himself to search every night. The Earl invited him to live in the castle, after which he could divide all his time to reaching this device. However, the people in the town thought the Earl was wasting his money and was unhappy. The Earl was not persuaded after hearing it. In the end, his work paid off. The invention of the microscope brought development to medicine. Similarly, the entire Apollo project is far more than just landing on the moon, and the legacy has been enjoyed by each of us until today. At the beginning, extrusion brooding molding is in order to create a more stress-resistant aviation suit. Now we can still see running shoes named Moon Landing Series in Nike shelves. Integrated circuit promoted the development of electronic computers. Today, it is hard to imagine what our life would be like without chips. It was a handheld drill used by astronauts when landing on the moon, but it's become a portable vacuum cleaner, replaced the big ones. It was in order to check the completeness of the structure of the rocket. Later, it was applied to medical treatment, saving a lot of lives every year. This energy resource enabled two satellites to continually obtain energy from solar radiation, and now widely used in power supply systems. It was used in Gemini program to replace bulky and inefficient batteries. Today, as a new energy source, fuel cell has an important role. It took 8 days for Apollo 11 to perform the mission. How to provide food during this time? Fresh food is frozen and dehydrated and dried. The weight is about 20% of original and retain 90% of nutrients. In addition to commercial rockets, SpaceX has a plan to offer internet connection today. In 2020, 5G networks have begun to expand in big cities. But in the vast rural areas, many places do not have high-speed internet connections, and the connection is the foundation of digital inclusions. The benefits of Apollo program is hard to estimate, but it's very clear that the entire program cost $25.4 billion, and more than 1,000 derivatives technology has also been born. There's no doubt that moon landing is a great achievement in human history.